Hey guys, welcome back to Astronaut. Let's talk about Newton's first law. Wherever you are right now, take a look around you. Perhaps there are people walking by or air blowing out from an air conditioner. There's probably quite a lot of things around you that just seem to be, well, there. Furniture, books, maybe the street or a fire hydrant if you're outside. All of these objects can be broadly classified as either stationary or in a state of motion. Newton's first law is really quite simple. An object in rest will stay in rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, until something interferes with it. Take a bottle of toothpaste, for example. The toothpaste will stay still within the bottle until someone squeezes it, forcing the paste out of the bottle. The pressure applied to the bottle acts as an external force that interferes with the toothpaste's state of rest. Now, let's consider something a little more interesting, like an airplane. A plane's horizontal motion is determined primarily by its thrust, which propels the airplane forward, and the wind resistance, also known as drag, acting against the plane. Now, if both the thrust and wind resistance are constant throughout the course of a flight, the plane's speed will not change. But if something changes, say the wind suddenly stops, the plane will change its speed. In this case, if the wind stops, the plane will speed up, since there is no longer anything pushing against it. Now, what do you think will happen if you push a skateboard down the street? If the skateboard was still before, your push will set it into motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, if nothing else interferes, the skateboard should keep rolling on indefinitely. But it doesn't. Why? The skateboard will eventually stop rolling because there is something else acting upon it: friction. Friction is a force between two surfaces that creates a resistance. It is one of the many forces on Earth that cause an object in motion to slow down. That's the thing about Earth. There is almost always some sort of force acting against an object. But if you were to put that skateboard in a vacuum, that is, a region that is devoid of these earthly forces, and give it a push, the skateboard would roll on forever. Okay, let's review. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object will remain at a constant speed unless an external force acts upon it. That means a moving object will continue moving and an unmoving object, i.e. an object at zero speed, will stay stationary until something provokes it. The Earth is full of hidden forces, like friction, that can affect the movement of an object. If we neglect these forces and place a moving object in an environment without interference, i.e. a vacuum, it will move at the same speed forever.